The DeWALT 20-volt circular saw is a popular cordless tool, but like any power tool, it can experience various problems. Here are the most common issues and their solutions. The most common problem is the saw failing to start, usually due to battery issues. First, ensure the battery is properly seated and clicks into place. Verify it's fully charged and test with an alternate battery to rule out a faulty one. Poor cutting performance usually stems from a dull blade. Inspect the blade for sharpness and replace or sharpen it if needed. Also check the saw's alignment and avoid pushing too hard. Let the saw cut at its own pace. Grinding noises indicate excessive strain on the saw. Stop using it immediately to prevent damage and allow it to cool completely. Check that ventilation ports aren't blocked. If the noise persists after cooling, consult a technician. Inaccurate cuts and blade binding often result from misaligned settings. Check and adjust the bevel and miter settings, ensure the material is securely held in place, and verify the base plate is properly aligned. For dust collection problems, upgrade to a high-quality dust collection bag or connect to a shop vacuum. Regularly clean dust collection ports and replace bags or filters as needed. Motor issues can range from worn brushes to electrical problems. Inspect motor brushes for wear and replace if necessary. Check power connections and test the switch functionality. Remember these key troubleshooting tips. Always remove the battery before inspection, keep blades sharp, clean regularly, and never force the saw through materials. These simple practices will prevent most common problems. Proper blade maintenance is the foundation of optimal circular saw performance. A sharp blade ensures efficient cuts while reducing strain on the motor, extending the life of your DeWALT 20-volt circular saw. Battery care is crucial for maintaining consistent power and extending battery life. Proper charging and storage practices will ensure your DeWALT 20-volt battery delivers reliable performance for years to come. Regular cleaning prevents overheating and maintains peak performance. Always prioritize safety by removing the battery before any maintenance work, and keep dust collection ports clear for optimal airflow. Newer DeWALT models feature brushless motors for increased power and efficiency, along with advanced battery technology for better heat dissipation. Always avoid forcing the saw through materials beyond its capacity to prevent damage. While users praise the DeWALT 20-volt Max for its power and reliability, be aware of battery life limitations during demanding tasks. Some models, like the DCS-391B, may have battery drain issues, while the DCS-590 offers improved power but potentially higher shoe friction.